Hello, little learners. Do you drink milk every day? Have you ever wondered, where does milk come from? Let's go to a milk farm. A milk farm is a special place where animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats live. They give us fresh milk every day. Farmers take good care of these animals. They feed them grass, hay, and clean water. Milk is taken from cows carefully. This is called milking. Farmers use their hands or machines to collect the milk. The cows don't get hurt. They are relaxed and calm. After milking, the milk goes into clean containers. The milk is now ready to travel. It goes into big milk trucks. The trucks take the milk to a dairy. There, the milk is checked, boiled, and made safe to drink. Then it's packed in bottles or packets and sent to our homes. On the farm, everything is kept very clean. Animals are bathed, sheds are washed, and farmers wear clean clothes. This keeps the milk healthy and fresh. Milk makes your bones and teeth strong. It helps you grow tall and healthy. Milk has calcium, vitamins, and energy. You can drink it plain or mix it with chocolate or make yummy milkshakes. Isn't the milk farm amazing? Now you know how milk travels from the cow to your glass. Download your free coloring page in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye, little learners.